Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Kali Linux on a Mac device, and we'll be using VirtualBox, the hypervisor. So you'll need to download and install VirtualBox. So this is VirtualBox right here, and it's a quick install. Just open your browser and search for VirtualBox download. And then you'll need to go to the link that takes you to virtualbox.org. And when you get here, depending on what kind of Mac OS device you're running, for instance, I'm running a M1 chip device, so I downloaded this one, Apple Silicon. So once you click on it, it should download. It's a quick download, and then the install is straightforward. That's one of the things you'll need. And the other thing you'll need is the ISO image for Kali Linux. So you need to download Kali Linux. Again, just search for Kali Linux download, and then go to kali.org, and then click on installer images, and then select this option. Click on this. It's a bigger file, 4 gigs. So it might take a while to download. Once you have that ISO image, you're ready to do the installation. Now I already downloaded the file, so let's see what it looks like. If I open Finder here, this is the file right here, and you can see it's 3.6 GB. This is the ISO disk image that you need. Okay, once you have that file, now you can open your VirtualBox and begin the installation. Just click on New. You'll name your Kali here. Say Kali 2024. Then you select the folder where the virtual machine is going to be installed. Selecting the ISO image now. Here, select the type Linux, and then Debian. Then click Next. The hardware, you can increase this to 2 processors, and the memory you can leave at the default. So 2 GB. Click Next. You can increase this if you want to, let's say, 25 GB for your disk space. And then click Next and Finish. And this is the virtual machine. Just right click on it and go to Settings. And you can make some changes here depending on how you want to set up your virtual machine. The thing we didn't do is we didn't attach the ISO image, so we'll need to go to Storage, go to this icon that says Empty. Over here, click on this icon again, and then click Choose a disk file. Then navigate to where you have your Kali Linux ISO image. So you'll need to navigate to it and then select it. This is the ISO image right here. I'll click Open, select it, click Open, and then click OK. Once you have that done, you can right click and then start, normal start, to begin the installation. Okay, let's go ahead and minimize this. And this is the window right here. Now if you look at the window, you'll see like it's really small. The font size is small, you can't see it. Down here to your right, there's this icon. If you right click on it, you can adjust the screen size. So go to virtual screen, then you can scale to a different scale. I'll go with 200, and now I can see the font. It's under install. Just press enter. Let's increase the size a little bit, and then English is the language. Enter. Country, keyboard. And I can increase this a little bit. Let's say to 225. So here you have to give it a host name. Say Kali 2024. Use your arrow keys to select continue. Domain name, just give it some domain name. Continue. The user, give the user name here, continue. The username, use the arrow keys to select continue, press enter. Here you'll need to set up your password. Continue, password again, continue. You select your time zone, and then I'll go with the use entire disk. Enter, enter, enter. Write changes to disk, yes, enter. Here you can choose additional software to install. I'm just going to go with the defaults. Just use the tab key to select continue, press enter. So the installation could take a while. I'm going to pause the video and come back once it's done. Okay, at this point it's asking us to do a reboot, so press enter here. And there you go, it's booted back up. And we are at the login screen, so we'll go ahead and put in the username and password we created. So the username I used was Eno. And there you go, we are logged into Kali Linux here. And we can open the terminal. Let's go to preferences, increase the font. Apply, okay. And there you have it. That's Kali Linux. And we can check the version. Let's do cat. Let's see was released. The version here is 2024. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install Kali Linux on a Mac device using VirtualBox. And this is the newer VirtualBox that I was able to use to get Kali Linux installed. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.